Today we are doing a long-term analysis of Mazdock. In November 3, we had warned that if you are not invested in this stock, you should not invest as this can fall. And this is the chart shared on November 3 that don't chase if you are not invested, wait for corrective wave to be formed and then go for the next impulse. And if you see exactly from this level, it went little up to trap the retailers and then it is falling. The reason was simple that this was showing bearish divergence and there was no momentum in this up move. And after this, you can see price has been falling. Now let us start from the start and remove everything and see how this stock has been doing. If you see on the weekly chart, the stock went from this point and initially it went, if you draw this trend line, you can see this was the first impulsive wave to the upside, and after that we got a corrective structure in the middle. This corrective structure is known as expandable flat, as price is expanding between these levels, and for this impulse we got this impulse. So this was a corrective pattern for this first impulse, and after this you can see there was a big impulsive move, and this was the third wave in this stock. And third wave is generally characterized by huge volume, and you can see there are significant gaps up, and this was a very strong wave if you have traded from the start. However, entering in the middle is not advisable, as you never know when this can stop and reverse. And as you see, the price is now reversing. Now if you watch carefully, there is no divergence. So after this correction structure, we are again expecting it to go up. Now let us see how exactly the correction is going on. And if you see, now previously we got an expandable flat, and here also we can get something similar because we got an impulsive move to the down, and after that we got, let me show it on the daily chart, we got this up move, but slowly it has gone below this level, which means this is not an impulsive but a corrective move, and now we will get an up move, and this will be A, this will be B, and this will be C wave. So for this impulse, after this corrective pattern is over, we will again get the next follow up to the downside. And as happened on the last time also, this C wave can go above this also. So let me show it what I'm saying. So previously also, if you see this pattern, this fall came like this, the pattern was this, and then this C wave went above this structure also. So this C is part of the B wave, big V wave, and this is A, this is B, and this is C. So which means B wave can clear the tops also. So don't get surprised if at the top this structure clears this part also. We have to internally see this once it happens, but after this there is a good probability that this will again come down. And for as of now, the after this structure is formed, then only you should look for investment. However, looking, since we are expecting one C wave anytime, so because as you see on the chart also, there is a good amount of divergence that is getting formed. So once you get a good buy structure here on lower time interval, then you can enter, but that will be a swing trade and not investment, because overall the range, this is a range bound and we are expecting some upside, but then again we have to be expert in that, and after that we will again get one fall. But later trend, if you see, we are again expecting it to go up and clear this, but that is once the time correction happens, and that can take time. So you can see how using corrective patterns and impulsive waves, you can see how the stock is doing. And if you like this analysis, please post the comment and give proper feedback. And if this delivers value, please consider subscribing and sharing, my friends. Thank you. And